Hello guys, so welcome to your Python video tutorials. I think this is our fourth video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the meaning of multiple line statements in Python. Now, normal statements in Python actually occupy a single line. For example, you can see us assigning different values to these different identifiers here. As you can see, each statement has its own separate line. That's the normal way Python programming is done. You can see more identifiers here, and you can see even printing statements, and everything happens smoothly. But every statement is on a single line. So we call all these statements, they're on a single line. But sometimes in Python, a line might become too long and you want to split it into multiple lines. So in that case, you have to use what we call multiple line statements. Now, Python actually allows you to denote a statement should be span multiple lines, because normally statements can't be written out in multiple lines. If you do that, you're going to generate an error in Python, except for a few exceptionalities which I'll be showing you in this video. So let's look at some normal statements. So for example, these are normal statements in Python. And like I said, now Python also allows you to use multiple lines using the line continuation character. Now the backslash is known as the line continuation character in Python. It allows you to make a statement or to denote that a statement can span multiple lines. For example, here are three statements. We are assigning different strings to different identifiers: message 1, message 2, message 3. Like we learned in our video on identifier. You know what all this means. So we are assigning these different string values to these identifiers at the left hand side. All right, so you see here I try to append those three strings together, and I print it out. As you can see, hello, I'm Emmanuel, I love Python programming and coding in general. All right, so that's a normal statement. Now let's try to span these statements on multiple lines. So you see we try to add message 3 on the next line, and in this case we have an error. If we try to run the code, you see we generate an error. Now Python allows us to use the backslash, like I explained to you, the line continuation statement, to indicate that there's more statement on the following line. So you see, without this statement, without that backslash is wrong, but when we use it, the statement now is correct and it can be executed. So here you see we added the last variable or identifier to the text on the next line, so everything works properly. So as you can see, we can even do it on multiple lines by just indicating multiple backslashes, line continuation character, to indicate to Python we want to move to the next line. So here, remember, you can't even have a space after that character. You must have a new line after the character, not a space. No other character. You can only have a new line after this. So as you can see from here, we move directly to the next line. We don't have a space or no other character. All right, so now then you said the statement continued. The statement contained within the bracket, like square brackets, curly braces, and normal brackets, can span multiple lines normally without using the line continuation character, as I'm going to show you. So like in this case, you see, but you say the line continuation character, once you place a comma, so statement within braces, like as you can see here, we have round braces, normal brackets. As you can see, just using a comma alone allows us to span this on multiple lines. So you see, we don't need to use any line continuation character to do that. I don't think it is even going to work. Okay, no problem, but we don't use that. So it works properly, but the comma also does the same job, so you don't need the line continuation character. Now in this case, you see we print all these statements in multiple lines just using a comma. Why? Because they're in braces. They're in these braces as here. In another case, as you can see, yes, the Python list, like I'll be showing you guys in some videos ahead. In the next few videos, you'll be learning about lists. You see, you can separate them too with comma. These are square braces. They are used to denote a Python list, and everything works properly. Once you use a comma, you can span them in multiple lines. Remember, you need a comma to do it. So once you use a comma, you can span them in multiple lines. All right, so here we have a Python tuple, like we'll be learning in future videos. And here you see you can also span multiple lines because you use normal brackets. And here we have a Python dictionary. Here we have a Python dictionary, which also can span multiple lines because it uses curly braces. So in this video, I was just trying to explain to you guys how to use multiple lines. We saw the line continuation statement, and I've also shown you character, and I've also shown you guys how you can span multiple lines once you're within braces or bracket. All right, do have a nice time and see you in the next video.